I'd like to say a big thanks to Harris for letting me use this clip. Harris was unfortunately the learner who was beeped at a few weeks back, so he's had a tough time. And this is only his 6th hour. And then he gets landed with all this up ahead.
Is anyone overtaking us? What's your plan to deal with the park one? Is anyone coming the other way?
No.
Okay. What would happen now if people came the other way? It would be pretty awkward, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try and have a plan to deal with it. Be looking down the pavement, be looking through the fence, see if we can see any movement, and just be ready to slow. Less gas and keep wide, slower. Slower now, use your brake. Clutch down, keep to the left, clutch down, keep to the left. Straighten right now, stay right, stay right.
Sorry.
Alright. Okay. Now, they're going to have to move back, put it into first gear. Clutch down, Harris. Move your car slowly and steer a little to the right. Steer a bit right. Clutch down now. Steer right. There you go. Straighten your wheels. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go up this curb and try and move us up. So, move slowly and steer to the left for me. Move slowly now. Steer left now. Clutch down a little bit. Good. Steer right a little. Slow it down a little bit. Clutch down. And just stop a second. Just stop. Don't steer left. You don't need to. We'll wait here rather than driving on the pavement. We're now going to check and move off, and off we go. Good. Good. Steer off the pavement now. Move your hands more, Harris. Good man. And then steer back down onto the road, and off we go. And we're going to avoid this road like the plague, mate, aren't we? Yeah?
Good thing we're away from
Good job. Quick next gear. Nice job. We're going to turn left, please, at the top. Well, listen then.
They're coming.
Signal left though. Our road's free.
Yeah.
Now, what's this like? You're staring forward at the floor, mate. What gear are you going to pick? Go slowly. Your clutch isn't down. Your clutch has to be pressed fully. That's the first. Good. Now, put both ways. What's your plan? Is this one going to come around the white car?
Yeah, it's have to now.
So just set and wait it out. Is this the last one we're waiting for?
This one.
Keep looking. Keep looking. We can actually move. We'll have a little move now. Good. Now stay around. Good. Look in our road, not at the car. Nice job. Clutch fully up. And away we go. Well done. Thank you, sir. Very good of you. Nice job, Harris. Well done, mate. We're going to find this 20 limit, mate. We're a little fast. We're going to find somewhere that we can park in on the left, please, buddy. We need to tell anyone, Harris. Come on, you have to plan. So signal. Use the brake, remember. We need to go slower than idle. Yes, clutch down and go slowly. Keep rolling. We haven't finished the steer. When we have, we can stop. When have you finished steering? Now we're done. Good, secure it up. Relax. Okay, now that situation, mate, was very, very awkward. Very awkward, wasn't it? There was parked cars for as long as we could see. And what side of the road were they on?
The right.
They were on the right. So who really should have priority?
Us.
Us. However, it was just an impossible situation. Notice when we first came up to the corner, what was your first tell that there were cars coming? Did you see the cars first, or could you see anything else first?
Shadow.
The shadow, brilliantly. Okay, really good. What I tried to stop you from doing, and you were semi-successful at it, you still did it a little bit, but I tried to stop you from just steering away. Yeah. Okay. If you slow it down, or even stop, it gives you a little time to think. Okay. Why couldn't we steer left originally when we first saw the cars?
Bollards.
Brilliant. So after I got you from steering left, we continued along the road a little bit. They thankfully reversed back, and then there was a little room for us to go up the curb. Okay. Do you know the rules about going up the curb? Are you allowed to drive on the pavement?
No.
Okay. So if that was the case, then we would still be sat there, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think there has to be exceptions?
Yeah, as long as you're not, going along the pavement, you can go up to it on it, can't you?
You might do, yeah. Okay.
People
Go on.
park on the pavement as well, don't they? So you can.
They do, and
You're
it's
not meant to.
and it's not well. It's a bylaw, to be honest. In certain in London, you're not allowed to in certain areas of it, but
Makes sense.
there are certain situations where parking with your wheels up a curb may be acceptable, but you must always leave enough room for a pushchair or a wheelchair going past you the other side. Okay, but what did they get you to do when that car had reversed back a little?
Like rest up there.
Yeah, and did you notice I got you to steer a lot? I know I helped you a
Yeah,
little.
sorry.
I helped you. No, you're fine, mate. You never have to apologise. It's not a problem. But I helped you a little to try and get your wheels turned at a sharper angle.
Because
What's going to happen if you go up the curb?
the damage to the wheel.
It can damage the side of the wheel. So all we're doing, we're sort of like pressing the wheel up against the curb and then going up it slowly. And then when we got on the curb, what do we get you to do? We got you to straight, finish the steer, and then stop. Was there a path all the way down the pavement there that we could have kept on going?
Yeah, but that's
There you go, but it's for pedestrians. So really all I got you to do was go up the curb and park, wait for it to clear,
okay.
and then drive back on the road, and off we go. And you actually dealt with it really well, mate. All right, for only having a handful of lessons behind you, then to come up with something like that was really awkward, mate. But you kept calm, you listened, and honestly, it was great. That scenario, I can honestly say, has very, very rarely happened to me in 20 years of doing the job. Okay, so in a way, you're lucky. You're lucky that we've had that experience. No,
Yeah,
you probably thought as soon as we were coming up to it, oh no, what's going on here?
Yeah, but I did that with them. Straight away, do trash riding them now.
Okay, no problem. So that was all good. Have you got any questions on that, mate? I'm not saying when that happens again, because
Yeah, no, it probably hopefully will. But yeah, no, I get you.
It all makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Try and damage the wheels because.
Really well done. All right. There's the car popped back into life, so I think we're okay to get going again.